Hey, what's up, Stellar XLM holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again, I'm present with another latest update of Stellar XLM. What's going on this time in Stellar XLM? My friends, you will feel very happy after watching this interesting video. So keep watch this video till the end. And if you are new to my channel, subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. In this video, we discuss the latest update of XLM, and after that, we discuss what will be the chances to the next move coming soon in XLM, my friends. So before starting this interesting video, please make sure, I request everyone to please make sure to subscribe when I reach 15,000 or 20,000 subscribers. So absolutely, I'm going to announce a next giveaway. And now the first giveaway of 10,000 are coming soon. So be alert and be active on channel, my friends. In this time, if you look the latest price of the XLM in the market, so 0.33000001 USD dollar. That is the currently USD dollar price of the XLM in the market. And if we talk about the BTC Bitcoin of the XLM, so Bitcoin price is 0.0001030 BTC Bitcoin price of the Stellar XLM in the market, my friends. And if you want to see more updates about XLM, so 24 hours trading volume, market cap, total supply, available supply, everything is here, my friends. Now let's see the price change occur in XLM. What's going on in XLM? Oh my goodness. As I told you, my friends, that you will feel very happy, so don't worry about this. I know this time the price of the XLM is fast down, but I have a good news for all of you, my friends. This time, the last 1 hour, last 24 hours, last 7 day, whole change is going negative. But it's a reason, my friends. Now, in this month, on the basis of my personal research, on the basis of price technical analysis, on the basis of my opinion, on the basis of my friends' opinion and suggestion, I recommend for everyone to it's time to hold, because a lot of my friends also tell me the cryptocurrency is expert, and me also suggest that it's time to hold. And this month is a jumping month of every cryptocurrency, not only XLM take a jump in the June. No, every cryptocurrency move upward in this month. So that is the holding month. If you hold, you will get profit tomorrow, and if you don't, so you will get nothing, my friends. Anyways, the price chart is very fast down in the previous time, but you have to hold. Absolutely, XLM will going to the moon, my friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. What is your opinion and what is your prediction about XLM? Tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more of this kind of news and updates.